Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. I have a somewhat small Temu haul, a few things, but they're small items. Temu is, I'm sure everybody knows what Temu is. It is a shopping website. You can get the app. You can also go online and shop. I have a code that'll save you 30% off your very first order, and you can order on the website and then you can order on the app and save 30% on both of those. Also, several of my creator friends are affiliates, and if you use their codes, they will get credit, and they're able then to continue showing you Temu because they get quote unquote free products with, if you buy under them, they get, I don't know if it's points or money, but I don't think they actually get money. They get to spend toward Temu again. I am not an affiliate. So if you use my code, I think it just tells them that, you know, you use my code. It doesn't help me at all, which is fine. I'm not going to be an affiliate, but if you want to know an affiliate, I know several, so ask me because it's great. In my opinion, it's great if you give them credit for your shopping. Excuse me, because, you know, they can get some money out of it. So I have some interesting things, different, just a mishmash of stuff. So I will tell you this. All right, Temu has everything. Absolutely everything you can imagine, pretty much. Now, it may not be the very best quality of everything you can imagine, but so far, what I've gotten from them has been pretty good stuff. I've been disappointed once or twice because I'll see something that I think is like this big and then it's this big, you know, but I also I've been trying to do better with that and look at dimensions, and sometimes some things don't have dimensions. So if you're not sure, then don't buy it, or go to, you're gonna see the same products under different, if you plug in something, lipstick, you're gonna see a million different ones. You're gonna see some that are the same, and there'll be different pricing. So, you know, look around. When you go shopping on Temu, take a little time to really look at everything. The wonderful thing about Temu for the US, and I think for Canada also, I'm not really positive, they have free returns. Now, I've been told by someone that has returned a few things that you have to return one time only for the free return. If you end up with you say you get 15 items and you're returning 3, then a week later you say, oh, I need to return this, then you'll have to pay for that shipping, okay? So make sure you make your decision before you send stuff back, and you'll get the free shipping. And they have anything you can imagine. Things for women, things for men, things for children, things for your household, things for your bathroom, your kitchen, your living room decor. They have wreaths for the doors. I've shown you a few things. Now, I will say this was a gift from Jean Louise. Other than that, this shelving thing and these things are all from Temu. Some things that I've recently got in a haul I showed you not too long ago. Just everything and anything. And they have stuff for men. Like, I'll show you this, for example. Now, I'm not saying that this is just for men because I bought it because I may or may not be doing some work in my bathroom. My bathroom needs some help. So let me tell you this. This was 59 cents. So that's what prompted me to get it. It's a silicone scraper, it says. So if you don't know what these things are, it is like, you know, the trim that's around your bathtub against the tile to keep water from getting in the walls, I guess. See, I don't even really know. This is pointy right there. That is supposed to be able, you put it in the corner and it'll scrape that up, help you get it off. And then you put your new line on, and then this helps you even it out with the silicone. So I may never use it. I do need a little work in my bathroom. It's hard to find someone that will do, around my house, I have little things that need doing, and handymen don't like to do little things. They want to make money, you know, so anyway, but that was 59 cents. That's why I bought it, because I thought, well, maybe 59 cents might encourage me to use it. So then I have other things for the household, for the bathroom. Now this I thought was really cool. And this is finding things on my, okay, this was 38 cents. That's why I bought it for. Okay, so it says it's a hair catcher. So they have many different kinds. They even have different colors, y'all. It says on it that it is 1 pack. And it shows in the picture that there should be 2, but for 38 cents, I'm not going to complain that it's just 1. But a lot of times when you look at an item, they'll show you 1 white, and say there's a blue one, and it might be $1.59, whereas this was 38 cents. So you really got to look at what you're clicking on. Just want to tell you that as well. Okay, so this is a nice square, and then it has these little suctions. So when you put this over your drain, you can suction it down, and then hopefully it'll catch your hair and such like that, so you don't end up with clogged drains. So you can just lift this up and, you know, shove it into the trash bin, rinse it off, put it back down. So I have my drain in my bathroom is not something where you know, a lot of people, they can pull a plug out and put a stopper in. Mine doesn't do that. Mine is all attached. It's complicated. So I thought that would be 38 cents, 38 cents. Now, these things, y'all, I have gotten things before to try to get hair, fur off of my clothing in the washing machine. They sell some of those things on Temu. They're a little floating thing, and they have a little bag to them, and then the fur is supposed to go in there. No, those don't work. I've had them before from, like, you know, as seen on TV kind of stuff. I don't know if this is going to work, but I figured this has got to work to some degree. These were just adorable. This came in a 2-pack now, and again, this you can get in 2 packs, 4 packs, 1 a piece. This was $1.18 for the 2, so I thought I'd take a chance. They're still in the bag because they're highly sticky. So if you throw this in your dryer and it runs around the clothes, hopefully it'll pick up some fur. That's what I'm hoping. I don't know that it would work in the washer. I think it's meant for the dryer, because if you put it in the washer, it'll just keep rinsing off. So we'll see. I'll let you know in a future video, like a Mass Monday or something, if they worked or not. So, and then, you know, so they will attract all the fuzz and fur, whatever, and then you take them out of the dryer, and then you rinse them off, and then use them again. So we'll see how that works. And I got these cute things. I did want to show you too. Everything comes wrapped nicely, okay? I took everything out of the bag so there wouldn't be a lot of trouble opening things. But see, everything comes in a bag. So just so you know, it's nicely wrapped. I got this cute bag. This I left in the bag because it's just easier for this. These are little emery boards or, you know, files. They're the cushy kinds, but they're just the small kind that you can throw in your purse, you know, in your bag, in your car. They're itty bitty and they're all decorative colors. This was $1.07 for 10 pieces. So I'm like, yeah, I'll take that. Yeah, I like that. I actually have a little case that'll hold one of these, a little plastic case, so that it's not scratching on anything like in your purse. So that's really cool. And I'm sure I could find that little case on Temu if I wanted to. All right, and then this is a cord. I've got one of these before. I've shown it to you before. This was 88 cents. This is a USB port. And then this particular one is for an iPhone because that's what my phone is. The other one that I got had 3, it had these little magnets that sat on here that could be for iPhone or Android, you know, the old-fashioned Android and the newer style. So it came with all 3 for you to, it could hook up to anything. So when you plug this one in, it races rainbow colors. So 88 cents. Do I need it? No. But this one, I thought I'd put in my car for fun, just for fun, just because, you know. So since I'm talking about the car, I also got this because I have a USB port in, I mean, whatever this is called, a cord in my car right now, and it's all over the place. You know, you get out, it pulls out with you and all this other. So I got this cute little thing. They have the cutest little things for your car to make your car feminine or whatever you want, you know. So, and also they have things to make your car masculine. This is just a little rhinestone-y thing. And what you'll do is peel off the back here and stick it on your dashboard somewhere. See how that is? And then when you have your cord, you'll just, you know, you can put your cord in there. And then that way, you know, when you're getting out of the car, wrap your cord up there, or even if you just put a piece of it up there, then it won't be trailing all over the car. So I thought that was cute. And this little doohickey was 68 cents. And it comes in many different many different. This is just like a white rhinestone, but you can see it's catching the light, and it you know, is just cute. Yeah, who doesn't want a little bling? So they have all kinds of blingy things, that we don't need. But you know, such is life. Okay, so next I have all these crazy things, y'all. Let me see if I can find the next thing. Oh, this is called a vintage long tassel necklace. So this was $1.68, and I like necklaces. I like long necklaces for work, and I thought it was pretty for $1.68. Let me get it together because it's a little twisted up. Okay, so it's a gold, an antique sort of gold chain, and then it has this nice heavy circle on it, and then a tassel. So it's like a gold color, like an antique gold. So, oh, of course it's longer but anyway, I thought it was pretty. $1.68. They have some great cheap jewelry. So if this breaks, you know, even if you like it, you know, I don't want to just throw everything out, but if it breaks, then it's not the end of the world. Do you know what I mean? So speaking of just things that I love and everything, I had gotten one of these already, and I really like it so much, so I got a second one, just in case I have someone over. This, and then we each have one. This is a just a little cheese knife, butter knife. It's got a heavy handle. It's stainless steel. It's food grade, of course. It's got a little bit of a sharpness to it in case you need to cut a little bit, but it's really not sharp. But you spread your butter, spread your jam, spread your cheese on a cracker, you know, that kind of thing. So it's just a pretty little thing to have if you're gonna have a little snack with a friend. And this was $2.09. I did buy one before. I don't know what I paid for the last one, but I want to say it was about the same price. It might have been a couple of cents more, a couple of cents less. Another thing that I use every day are blue blocker glasses. I never heard of them before I started my channel. And then Fab Fit Fun sends them to you all the time. And some of them, you know, I'm picky about glasses. I suppose we all are. But the ones that have the little plastic here really bother my face. The pair that I have right now, the ones from Fab Fit Fun are good quality. Expensive, like $35, $40 glasses. The ones that I gave most of those away, I think, maybe if not all, because I didn't realize how good they are. If I wear them when I'm at my computer at work, and it really helps my eyes from not straining. I don't know why, but it does help my eyes. I do highly recommend them. The pair that I have now are super duper cheap, and they got scratched up on the lenses. So, and they're real, you know, plastic junk. So they came, I don't know, they were super duper cheap. I might have even got them at the dollar store. So I got this pair. Now, this is $1.69, so they're cheap. But these are nice. Look at the nice little case it comes in. It snaps. And they're decent plastic. And the lenses are dirty right now. Let me see if I can clean them off a little bit. Just from dust and stuff. So they just, I hope that they'll do good for me. So you can see my ring light in there right now, but I'm going to take these to work, and I usually just leave them at my computer, and then when I sit down and have to work at the computer, I put them on. So the other pair I can get rid of because the lenses got scratched. So I will put that with my things for work. And then I got this crazy thing just because it was 28 cents. I didn't need it. Maximize your closet space, it says. Okay, so this is how it came separate. Now, what you do is just poke this in here. Oops, if I can do it. Okay. And then, so this can turn, you know, depending on how you're gonna hang it. But what this is supposed to do is to maximize your closet space. So you can hang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hangers. 6, 7, 8, 9, and maybe even a second one down here. So this way, you know, like all your t-shirts lined up, and then you take up just that much space instead of, you know, a whole bunch of space. So I thought that would be helpful, and it was because it was 28 cents. I don't really need it. I've been cleaning out my closets slowly but surely, and I've gained a lot of space just by, because I'll get stuff and then I don't get rid of stuff. So I have a problem with that. So let's see, how far have I got? I'm trying to get through everything for you. I found this. I do need another one of these. So mine just got old and grungy. This is for your nails. I like to have this at my kitchen sink. You get dirt under your nails or whatever, and you just wash your hands and scrub. This was 89 cents. So, and it came in different colors. I just got the clear because of, you know, for my kitchen. You can get one for your bathroom. You can, you know, they're clear. And then I think there was like pink and blue or something. I can't remember what the colors were. But it's a nice soft brush, and it's good for under your nails. You come in from working in the garden and scrub your nails or whatever. So I thought that was pretty cool. And that might be, I have one thing left, I think. Just have sometimes, you know, I have it all laid out here, but I think I showed you everything except this. This is the last thing to show you, and it's just really pretty. It's something that I've been wanting for a while. So this is a mason jar. I've been looking for a clear container to put my dish soap in, because my sink, where my sink is, the windowsill hangs over, and the Dawn dish soap hits the windowsill all the time. So it's like messing up the paint and stuff, you know. It doesn't fit under unless I get a small bottle, but it's so much less expensive to get a big bottle. So I have Dawn. This is the apple. And I put it in here, the rest of what was in that bottle. And then this is a pump, and they have different kinds. This one I just thought was cute for the kitchen because it's a mason jar. And then it's got a cute little pump to it. And then I have, I think is it black? It's black. It's black. This came with black. I don't think it came in different colors. You might be able to scout out other colors. But it's a cute little mason jar, I thought. And then you just pump out what you need out of your sponge and wash your dishes or your cloth or whatever you're using. So I like that. This was $9.98. So this was a little bit more expensive. But that is my Temu haul, y'all. And just a lot of things that, like I said, a lot of things I don't necessarily need, but things that I will use. Everything here I will use, except, you know, maybe this. I'm not so sure I'll actually get to the working on this. I don't know. And I don't know that it'll work because it's plastic, you know. Maybe metal would be better for that job. I don't know. But it's just fun. And you don't spend a heck of a lot of money. If you spend $20, you get free shipping to your house. Then you get the free shipping back for returns. So if you buy clothing, I do have some clothing that I'm going to show you. I just haven't had the chance to model that yet. But if you get clothing and you want to send it back, that's the nice thing about it is try on your clothes. If they don't fit you, you send it back, and it's free shipping to send it back. So how easy is that? So anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by to see my fun stuff. My fun and practical. Lots of practical things going on here. Lots of practical. So, you know, and then some blingy for the car. Bling for the car. So, gotta have a little bling in our lives, right? So, y'all, and I'll probably put some of these in some, you know, throw it in the giveaway package here and there too. So, y'all, thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings and have a fantastic day, week, whatever it is. Bye-bye.